If you've researched keto in the slightest, surely you've heard that eating too much protein can kick some hopeful ketoers right out of ketosis. But eating only moderate amounts of protein on a keto diet is only half the battle for some people following a keto plan. Watch this video to learn the other reason that seemingly innocent third macro could be keeping you from finding success on your keto plan, and 3 tricks you can use to help you thrive on your keto diet. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you're notified of a new video about everything I learned about losing more than 100 pounds and how I keep it off each Tuesday. So we've all heard that big G word when we research keto. It's pronounced Gluconeogenesis for those of you who've read it, but maybe you never tried to say it out loud. It's definitely a tongue twister, so I don't blame you if you refuse to even try to pronounce it. Basically, the big G word that's difficult to pronounce is a process whereby your body converts excess protein into sugar. Since we're keto, we don't want excess sugar. While a little bit of gluconeogenesis is necessary for our brains to get the glucose it requires to function, too much of a good thing can kick some hopeful ketoers right out of ketosis. This is sometimes especially the case for people who are very insulin resistant, or even for those ketoers who are not especially active. If you're attempting a keto diet and not finding the results you want, sometimes lowering your protein is the only thing you may need to do. However, that's not the only problem with protein when it comes to a keto diet. Here's where I'm about to get all doom and gloom on you. Now, before I clue you into the other reason, let me know in the comments if you have to monitor your protein to find keto success. Like I said before, this is a macro that varies per person, so I'd love to hear where you stand on protein. Okay, let's get back to the other reason protein could be wreaking havoc on your plan. It's estimated somewhere around 9 out of 10 people have low stomach acid. Having proper stomach acid is absolutely necessary to break down the protein you eat sufficiently. Do you know what happens to protein you eat that isn't broken down via sufficient stomach acid? It rots and ferments in your body. This can lead to undesirable side effects like heartburn, low blood pressure, and even constipation, just to name a few. Because believe me, there are several other side effects that come with not digesting protein effectively, like weight gain on keto, because that could happen too. So not only do you have to worry about eating too much protein on keto causing weight gain, but you also have to think about if you're digesting the protein you do eat so you don't gain weight on keto. There are a few tricks you can add to help your body break down protein more effectively on a keto diet so it's not rotting and fermenting in your body, which can lead to weight gain and feeling downright bad. Trick number 1, supplement with a high quality sea salt. The chloride ion is a high quality sea salt can assist your body when it comes to protein digestion. This means not only is that high quality sea salt helping you stay hydrated and keeping your blood pressure up once you cut carbs, but it can also assist your body when it comes to breaking protein down. Trick number 2, supplement with ACV. For those of you not following too closely with the keto lingo, ACV stands for apple cider vinegar. Adding ACV to your water, or maybe even just downing a shot on its own with meals, can provide some people enough additional acid to help break down the protein with their meal. Trick number 3, add HCl. Yep, I'm using another fancy acronym. HCl stands for hydrochloric acid. It's basically stomach acid in supplement form. The HCl I use comes from Natural Reference and is called betaine HCl. If you've spent some time destroying your stomach acid because you spent far too long in the dieting world where you focused on consuming all of the wrong foods, or if you spent time attempting to combat symptoms like heartburn with antacids, you may need to supplement with HCl until your body begins to produce more stomach acid. Unlike those antacid commercials lead us to believe, we need more stomach acid when we get heartburn, not less. There are important instructions that come along with HCl supplementation, so be sure to check out the digestion course at eatingfatisthenewskinny.com/digestion. You can also read more about the supplements I talk about at eatingfatisanewskinny.com/fixme. I'll add both of these links in the comments. We have another brand new episode of Chat the Fat podcast today. It digs even deeper into some of the points that I talked about today. If you're not digesting protein well on pretty much any diet you follow, this can lead to weight gain and a whole lot of unnecessary misery. So be sure to check out episode 5 at chatthefat.com or find it on your favorite podcasting app. Or you can just stay right here on YouTube and watch the entire episode. We have a helpful guide to go along with the episode that contains 5 low-protein meals that you can add to your keto plan. If you're struggling with too much protein on some days, definitely download this guide at chatthefat.com/episode 5. If this video was helpful for you, please remember to like, comment, and share with your friends so other people can learn this valuable information. Remember, 9 out of 10 people are estimated to have low stomach acid, so at least 9 out of 10 of your friends need this information. I'll add all of the other ways that we could connect to the video description, so check those out and let's connect. Okay, I'll see you next Tuesday with a brand new video about the differences between low carb and keto. I know many people like to group them in the same category, but following this trend can result in weight gain. I'm going to tell you how.